much she loves these particular flowers.
You're right. They'll make her very happy. Try one, Grandpa.
It looks delicious.
Be careful you don't burn your tongue. It's very hot.
Just like the old days.
I'm glad. We could eat dinner by Grandpa's bed. I'll bring you something special to eat, too. It's really strange, you know. I mean, when you think about it, we don't have very much in this life, but I'm still happy. It's funny, but I know that having you and Patrash here is all I'll ever need. As soon as you feel better, Grandpa, we'll go to town and buy you some more potatoes. Grandpa! Grandpa, what's wrong? What's wrong, Grandpa?
The time has come for me to join your mother, but I wish I didn't have to leave you.
Don't leave me! Please, Grandpa, stay with me!
I'm sorry. I wish there was a way I could stay and protect you. I'm afraid I'm not strong enough. If you need any help or advice, go and see Mrs. Newland. I know that she cares about you very much.
All right, Grandpa. I promise I'll talk to Mrs. Newland. I'll do whatever you say, but please don't leave me.
Have courage. Nello, I am going to miss you so much. I love you, and I'll be watching over you with your mother from heaven.
Don't go yet. Stay, Grandfather.
Patrash. Promise me that you'll watch over Nello.
Grandpa?
Always cherish your love of art. It's God's gift.
Grandpa? Grandpa! Please! Wake up! Please, Grandpa! Don't leave me alone!
All of the guests have arrived now, sir. Shall we start?
But what about Nello?
It's rude to keep your guests waiting.
I'm sure he'll be along. Nello.
Alawa!
Nello. What is it?
Don't you know? Just look.
Grandpa's dead. We buried him. No! It's not possible! Grandpa, I didn't know. Please forgive me. I never even got to say goodbye.
Grandpa. I found this near the bridge.
It's cute. I'd love to keep it, but I really can't. It's not mine.
Yeah.
It must belong to one of the children who lives in the village. Leave it with me. I bet I'll find its owner.
All right.
So tell me, Nello, have you decided what to draw for the contest yet?
I'm gonna draw a picture of Grandpa and Petrosh together. There is one small problem. I can't remember Grandpa's face. I start to see it, and suddenly all these tears just get in my way. It's like a sheet of rain sort of blurs his image.
Oh, Nello.
It's so strange. I can't picture the face of the man I saw every single day of my life. We're moving! That was fun!
Oh, it's so good to see you smile again, Nello. Oh,
Something's wrong.
I heard Father say this morning there's some kind of problem with the windmill.
Climb up and oil the gears. How would I know where to put the oil? Really, the more I think about it, Master Cosette's is nothing but a slave driver. I have more important things to do. I'll wait for the engineer to arrive. Huh?
The windmill!
Windmill's burning to the ground. Water! Bring out the water hoses and the pumps! Hurry! Let's go! Give it to me!
The wheat storage is caught on fire! My whole harvest, it's all gone.
Mine too. Everything we owned was in there.
But why? My God.
The blades weren't turning?
They weren't turning smoothly. But I sent Hans up there to oil the gears.
It's impossible. How could this have happened?
Beats me.
I know the mill was maintained properly.
Do you think someone could have set the fire?
Don't even say such a thing.
Nello! Did you think you could get away with it? That no one would suspect? Earlier this evening, I saw you and your dog running from the windmill just before the fire started.
It was you. You deliberately set that fire.
Huh?
Of course. This is your revenge because I wouldn't let you see Alawa.
Why, that's crazy. He would never do such a thing.
I never set the fire. I swear that I didn't do it.
What were you doing in the windmill earlier today?
I was talking to Alawa, that's all.
You were what? So despite my orders, you've been seeing her? Nello, don't ever come near my family again. You keep away from Alawa.
Must you be so harsh? Nello.
I didn't do it. I didn't set the fire. Why won't anyone believe me?
Sorry, Nello, but I don't need you to take my milk to town anymore.
I found somebody else to deliver my milk.
I'm sorry, Nello.
Patrash!